Hey everyone! I hope you guys had a blessed Easter. Today we're going to talk about a few stretches to really help stretch out the hip and lower back region, as these are some areas that can tend to get quite sore with prolonged sitting. The first stretch that we're going to talk about is to target a muscle called the psoas. The psoas is a muscle that's located in the lower back, or what we call the lumbar region of the spine. Now this is the muscle that actually helps you to bend your hips as well as your legs towards your chest. It's actually the deepest muscle in your core. So with that being said, you guys can understand how vital this muscle is to your spine and overall posture. And over time, if we do a lot of sitting, it can get very contracted, and why we can get a lot of pain here and also in the lower back as well. Okay, so for this particular exercise, what I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to go into what's called a lunge or a fencer stance. So you're going to stand a little bit more than hip width apart, stagger your legs, okay? Then you're going to bend the front leg slightly so they get a slight knee bend. Now you want to make sure that the knee does not track over the toes. So again, it's just a very slight knee bend. So it is directly above your ankle. Then your back leg, I'm going to get you guys to lift up your heel. Going on your toes, you're going to put the weight on the ball of the foot. Okay? Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to interlock your fingers, push up to the ceiling as high as you can. Then you're going to lean back, and you're going to lean away from the side of your back leg. Hold that for about 15 to 30 seconds. Okay? Now from the side view here, so again, you're going to go into that lunge, fencer stance. You're going to bend that front leg, that knee slightly here. You're going to lift up your heel of the back leg. You're going to interlock your fingers. Then you're going to lean back and away from the side of your back leg. Now you should feel a nice stretch as you're doing this right in through the rib cage here, down and through the front of your hips. Okay? This exercise you can do 5 to 10 times daily, both sides. Second stretch that we're going to talk about is for a muscle called the glutes. So these are your hip stabilizers. These tend to also get very weak and sore as we do a lot of sitting. So for this particular exercise, you guys can do this in your seat at home. Have your feet flat on the ground. Sit up as tall as possible. Then you're going to take your right foot, place that on your left knee. And again, remember to sit up as tall as possible. Now you're going to lightly hinge forward at your hips. You're going to hold that for about 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, and then you're going to repeat that again on the other side. Staying up as tall as you can. Bring your left foot on top of your right knee, and then you're going to hinge forward at your hips. Okay, and again, you can repeat that 5 to 10 times both sides daily. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope that this helps you as well as you're doing your work. Again, this will help keep things moving mobility-wise with your hips and lower back. And I want you guys to stay tuned. Next video, we're going to talk about some simple things that we can do at home to help improve the ergonomics of our workspace as well. All right? In the meantime, stay healthy, be blessed, and continue being awesome. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.